Hey there, I hope you are doing well. Now we will discuss about another topic which is very important, which is exercise, and I am providing you the solution of that. So exercise 1.12. So that is the exercise 1.12. So we have to show what we have to show that if supremum exists, it is unique. Show that if supremum. So exercise 1.12 in your notes, and it is the I think part 2 of it. So show that if supremum exists, then it is unique, or we can have another name of it. A set cannot have more than one supremum. More than one supremum. So now we will show that a set cannot have more than one supremum. So what is supremum? It is basically you have recently read about the supremum, and you know that it is least upper bound. So if supremum is the least upper bound, then we will show, and you know that supremum is the least upper bound, then it will be it will be less than a it will be less than a other upper bound also, because it is the least upper bound. Okay, so it can be less than other upper bounds. Okay, so now we will use the contradiction method, and we will suppose that, so I am proving that we will suppose that a set can have two upper bound. Let a set have two supremum. So we are using contradiction method, and in contradiction method we suppose contrary to the fact. So now we are supposing let m and m dash are supremum of a set A. Okay, so let we are supposing that the m and m dash are the supremum of a set A. So, and both are upper bounds. Both are upper bounds. You know that supremum is also upper bound of the set. Now, so from this position, so from position m is, so from the supposition m is LUB. If m is LUB, least upper bound or supremum, sup of A. If m is sup of A, then m is upper bound, m dash is upper bound. So if m dash is upper bound and m is least upper bound, then m will be smaller than the m dash. But we know, what we know, but m dash is also supremum of set. So m dash is, if m dash is supremum now, then m is also upper bound. So we can write m dash is a subset of m. So So if we compare equation 1 and 2, we will get, if m is a subset of m dash and m dash is also the subset of m, then we will get, what we will get? We will get that m is a subset of m dash and m dash is a subset of m. Then from equation 1 and 2, m is equal to m dash. So if a set have two supremum, then those both will be equal. Those both will be equal as written in your hint in your notes. So the proved that supremum is unique. Supremum is unique. I hope you have understand that point.